Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of baking with a classic vanilla cake. It's a timeless recipe that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Alright, let's gather our ingredients. For the cake, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of whole milk, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3 large eggs. For the frosting, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 to 4 tablespoons of heavy cream or milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's move on to the instructions. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your cake turns out perfectly. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. Mix dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. Cream, butter, and sugar. In a large bowl, beat the softened butter and granulated sugar together until light and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Mix in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the milk. Start and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Alright, now let's prepare the frosting. In a large bowl, beat the softened butter until it's nice and creamy. Gradually add powdered sugar, mixing it well each time. Then, add a splash of vanilla and enough cream to get your desired consistency. Next, it's time to assemble the cake. Once the cakes are completely cool, place 1 layer on a serving plate. Spread a generous layer of frosting on top, then carefully place the second layer on top of that. Finally, frost the top and sides of the cake, making sure it's all nice and even. Now comes the fun part, decorating. This step is totally optional, but you can add sprinkles, fruit, or any toppings you like to make your cake look extra special. And there you have it. Serve your beautiful cake and enjoy every delicious bite.